What's up, everybody? It's your friend Alec here. Hey! In our neighborhood, taking a walk or just taking some pictures. I'm so cold. I should have gotten gloves. A damn basketball.
You know, I told you that we could come to my house.
Yeah, it's all good. Oh, my hands are so cold. So we just chilling. It's a snow day. I just want to make this little video to say be safe, Pennsylvania.
Oh my God, I just.
Subscribe. Comment down below. Going to UD for
What does that mean?
University of Delaware.
Oh yeah, I do that.
Hello. Going there for college. I committed, so whoop whoop. And we're gonna go get some hot chocolate. Don't know what I'm gonna film. I don't know. Maybe we'll do like a little challenge or something. Because I'm really bored.
It looks like fun.
All right, we'll come back with a little challenge video. Woo!
Yay!
Thinking, huh? Scared. Oh yeah. How?
Okay, wait.
Okay, quick.
I don't know. Oh, I can't.
No.
Okay, go. Wait, go ahead, walk. Hi!
Oh my God, I was like, why is so quiet down here?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
I can't hear.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Can you say it again? Like, enunciate.
Alex, you're screaming. Okay. Save a horse, ride.
Yeah, you can't cover your mouth when you talk.
Okay.
What?
Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
One word at a time.
Save.
Say it again.
Save.
Alright, do the second word.
A
Alright.
horse,
Okay.
ride
Okay.
a cowboy.
Okay. Alright, no, I got it. Dave is going by. Okay. Dave is going by Happy Valley. Dave is going by Happy Valley.
Oh my God, I don't go to Penn State.
Repeat it.
Dave is going
Oh my God.
by.
Okay.
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 Should we take them off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, what did you think it was?
My name is Happy Valley.
Alright,
What did you think it was?
I said, well, you obviously heard me saying it.
I know, but like say it again.
I said, Dave is going by Happy Valley.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Dude,
wow.
I honestly did not hear what she was saying at all. Like,
It was save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Ew.
What?
No,
Oh my
I
God,
just-
that's so bad. I just realized how bad that is.
It's your
Oh
turn.
my God.
We're gonna start with him.
Wait, so what do I do?
So I'm gonna tell you my quote, and then you're gonna tell her
So I just
What I
guessed.
think.
Whose quote did I just guess?
hers.
Hers.
So now we're starting with my quote.
Okay. So hers was save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Yeah.
But you thought it was Dave.
Dave is going by Happy Valley. Dude, she's so bad at enunciating.
And I thought it was my name. Is Happy
I
Valley.
was
She goes
going
like,
word
okay,
by
so we got
word
Happy
for
Valley.
you.
We did really
Okay,
well.
we did. Okay, yeah.
No, but she was like she would cover her mouth.
You told me the word by word and I did. You know what?
Alright, I'm going to do whatever my Rice Krispies tell me to do.
This is so long. Okay.
Alright. I'm going to do whatever my Rice Krispies tell me to do.
One more time.
I'm going to do whatever my Rice Krispies tell me to do.
Okay.
You got it? Alright.
I am going to help you. However, I'm going to scratch you.
Go, okay, first word. I
to help you. However, I'm going to scratch you.
Okay, wait. Go. Second word. Am
Going to help you.
going to
You.
Shia LaBeouf.
However, I am going
What's
to...
the third word?
I am going
I
to
am
help
going
you.
to help you.
However,
Okay, wait.
however, I am
For
going to
okay.
scratch you. You ready? Ready? Good?
Ready.
No? Yes? No?
Say the last word.
You.
Okay. What was I listening to?
Shia LaBeouf.
Live. It's,
That was
it's a
the
piece
weirdest
of
thing
art.
I've ever heard.
It's Shia LaBeouf.
Yeah.
Shia LaBeouf? Okay.
The video makes it 12 times better.
I thought you were saying I'm going to help you forever.
That's it? Wow, you missed like half of
That's
the
what I thought you
sentence.
said. I said to the last word and he goes, you. I was like, okay.
You ready for the real phrase? Do I say it?
You say what
This is
you
what
thought it was.
I'm going to help you. However, I'm going to scratch you.
What the
But it was actually, I'm going to do whatever my Rice Krispies tell me to do.
What?
Right when you said that, I was
Anybody's
like,
supposed to guess that.
oh.
That's how I felt when you were saying what would you say?
Dave is going
David's going to
by
Happy Valley.
Alright, well, it's your turn to do the quote.
5.
This is our last round.
Okay, this one, you're going to think of something. Like, immediately, you're going to say, oh, I know what you're saying. But it's not.
Just the volume.
Is it playing? Quiet.
Wait, so who am I saying this to? Who am I saying this to? Who am I saying this to?
What?
Who am I saying this
They
to?
just
Oh, her. Her.
Shia LaBeouf.
Olive juice. So
Sorry, say it again.
olive juice. So unbelievably much.
Say the first word. Okay.
Olive juice. So unbelievably much. Olive juice. So unbelievably much.
Okay, you need to enunciate. You're like,
Olive juice. So unbelievably much.
okay, say the first 2 words.
So unbelievably much.
Okay.
You're talking to me.
I know.
She forgot.
I forgot. Shia LaBeouf. Shia LaBeouf.
Olive juice. So unbelievably much.
Okay. Okay, I remember. I love you. I love you.
Okay.
So,
No. We're not
Oh.
done yet.
so, I don't believe in monsters.
What happened to being short and
This
sweet?
is genuinely what I heard you say.
I changed it while I was thinking.
Okay. Go again.
I love you, so I don't believe.
Wait, stop going so loud. Go
Can you
again.
hear me?
Just like mouth it.
I
Yeah.
love you, so I don't believe in monsters. This is what I heard you say.
Okay. Alright.
Ready?
Alright.
This is what I heard you
I
say.
think you said, I love you, so I'm going to buy you a ball of cheese.
I thought you said I love you, so I don't believe in monsters.
I definitely think you said elephant juice.
Do you want to hear what I said? Olive juice.
Damn it, I knew it was the
So
juice.
unbelievably much. Because when you say olive juice, it looks like you're saying I love you.
Yeah.
So I thought you were going to think, oh, he said I love you so unbelievably much.
I knew it. I
But
knew
no.
right when she said I love you.
You
it
look
was like
across
she
the room and
definitely-
go to someone and you go, so just say olive juice under your breath.
And
then it'll be like-
you like it, and you say,
Olive juice.
oh my god, Sam!
It's caught in a bad
No,
trap.
olive juice. Olive juice.
Well, that sucks.
That was nice.
That was
Actually,
cool.
I think that was
Nice.
very entertaining.
That was fun.
Alright, well, give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe for more videos. Help me get to 3,000 subscribers.
Ooh.
You know, why
I'll
not?
subscribe to you
That's
right
fun.
And
You're not subscribed?
now. I just
Piece
got a
of
YouTube-
garbage.
Shut up. I just got like an account like 2
And
days
you want
ago.
to be on my...
In order to
You're
just.
not
I'm literally
allowed.
gonna block you out.
Put a blur over her face
Over
the
her
whole time.
whole face, just the whole time.
Well, I
She's-
didn't have. Okay, ready? Oh wait,
You
I
need a
was
Google
subscribed. Never
account.
mind. I was already subscribed.
Oh, yeah, I'm... Okay. I'll see you guys next time with a... Oh, my God.
Yes, I was.
Now you've got 2 phones hanging from you.
See you guys next time with a new video. Woo!